Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Yesterday we were buying this, we hit our target. Not only that, guys, we went way beyond our target. Okay guys, so we were in the right direction, but our targets were too small for yesterday. So anyways guys, I hope you guys made money trading this pair. Anyways guys, we have moved a lot to the upside and the momentum could be dying down, but guys, we cannot start selling unless and until we break below 1.35469. Okay, guys, and if and as long as we're above this, my first target is 1.35687. And guys, my second target would be, come on, my second target would be 1.35849. And guys, if you break below this, I have two targets. First one is 1.35278, and if you have a further break, my next target would be 1.35018. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.